Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 that we've taken in part exchange. So we originally sold this car from new, and it's got a full service history with Howard's as well. Comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior with heated front seats. There's sat-nav, Bluetooth, dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done 20,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.